Salam, salam, family. This is Unity, and this is a Unity moment. Okay, I was looking at the Rachel Dolezal Netflix movie, and if y'all can remember, I did a video about her. I linked that up, and that's the thing. What I'm learning about us as Black people, we have this part of us that people can. We have like this humanity part, and I could see why our ancestors allowed certain things to happen because we have a compassion in us. And to be honest with you, there's what when I was looking at documentary, I did feel a little sorry for her to a point. As far as I ain't gonna say it was for her, I think it was more of her sisters and brothers that was raised by her mother and father, the black kids. Um, when you look at the story, it talks about her sister and her brother. They was black, and then there was some more that her family adopted, and it was like religious white people that mainly abused them, and she seen that. Maybe people have their own mental ways, but maybe by her seeing that, it made her want to be stray away from being white. I don't know. I don't agree with her for doing what she did. Um, she's a white woman that's blend black face, and she's benefit off black culture. So I'm not agreeing with that part. But the what made me want to do this video because I been noticing that there have been like many white people adopting black kids and abusing them. For instance, it was a little young boy. I put his name across the screen that took a picture with a police officer or free hugs or something. And then now I don't know if they found his body yet or they didn't find him, but he's dead now. And the two white ladies dead too, and the other kids are dead too. Then it was another case of two little black girls that was beaten by a white couple. And then it was another case. I'm gonna put all these names across so y'all can look them up. It was another case of this white couple would put these black babies in cages, and a white man told they put them in cages. It was one of them that they kind of made kind of like the house nigga, you know how they do. But majority all of them beds was like cages. How would you adopt children? And I'm not saying I'm not saying that there are white people out there that's adopting kids and not doing right by them. I'm pretty sure there are. I prefer them with black people that can take care of them so they could be a part of their culture. But I just like that's like some mind control and white superiority for you to go through all that to get those children and then abuse them. I'm pretty sure they was abused probably in their home for them in foster care and probably abused in foster care. Then they got to leave and be abused. There is a lot of cases of Caucasian, European, British people adopting black people, if they African, if they Jamaican, if they African American, wherever they are, and they being abused. And that mess gotta stop. And then I know in society we do have a lot of cases where there's our own people killing their own kids. Most of the time it's the girlfriend and got a new boyfriend, and then the boyfriend don't like the kid, and then the child end up dead. I mean, y'all, it's a couple of cases like that within the last couple of months. But I'm talking about these white people that is getting these babies and abusing them to the point that they kill them. Especially the one with the young brother that was given a hug and they drove off a cliff. Like, why would you do that? And they say, like, weeks before, they was going to the neighbor's house and saying they was hungry and all this, and the neighbor called, and the next thing you know, they dead. I don't even know if they found the other bodies. I think they found three of the I think they found three of the bodies of the kids in the car, and two, and they found the two pad, but they didn't find the other two bodies. They could have floated away. They could have this and that. Then again, they could have ran. Hopefully, they the one who did rig the car up, and then they didn't hide it somewhere. Cause I don't know. Me and my dad gonna fantasy mind, but look at this lock, y'all. But I was just sitting and thinking about that. Y'all know me and my unity moments. Why would you adopt? But it's the nature of majority of white people. They have this superiority. I was telling my son, if you be around white people long enough, you'll start seeing it. Like they have this way about them, and if they say racial things to them, they don't feel like they say nothing wrong because it's embedded in their DNA to be the way they are. Like they don't. It's certain things that they just say and they don't see nothing wrong with it. Like they don't feel like they offending no one. They don't feel they just say it and do it. So I just wanted to do this video. I send prayers and healing to all the young people in these situations, and with the will of the divine and the will of karma, everyone that did something to them and get it right back tenfold. All right, salam salam.